Hey travelers, today I want to show you the lovely room that we had at the Sandos Cancun resort. Great location. I'm going to do a separate video that talks about all the really cool things at this resort, but for now I'm going to show you the room. There are 5 different room categories at this property. The superior room is the most basic. Then there's the deluxe room. That's what we had, and as you can see here, the view is quite amazing and very spacious room. And then up from there are the suites. There's the Sandos suite, the Laguna suite, and the Caribe suite. So if you're looking at just getting a basic room as a deluxe room, I think this is pretty impressive. So let's check it out. All right, here we are at the Sandos Cancun. And just walk into the room. It's really spacious, king-size bed. Nice little sitting area there. Lots of closet space. We've got a air conditioner there, and a little sitting area, as well as your bar, TV, safe, and the minibar is pretty well stocked. We'll have a little bit more of an update for you in the comments about what the room, the housekeeping situation is like. I've got a bottle of wine there and a welcome bottle of wine, as well as the coffee maker. I'm going to do the view last. So we've got the bathroom here, double vanity, toilet area, hair dryer, towels, and a reasonable sized shower, but it is a closed door situation, which I always love. And you've got some pretty decent bottles of shampoo and stuff, so that's quite nice. All right, now let's check out this view, because this is pretty skookum. All right, so pretty massive deck area. And I don't know what is going on, but the waves are crazy today. So this room will have a sunrise view. And over here, you've got the lagoon in the back. So that's sunset. So right now, this is absolutely perfect. I love this. You're gonna get morning sun, and then in the afternoon, you can sit here, read your book, play some cards, have a drink, enjoy the view, and you've got some shade, and just enjoy that gorgeous beach area.